Hi everyone, Mrs. Olson here. We've been studying World War II, specifically about the Holocaust, and this is our third lesson that will end our learning about the Holocaust. So you are going to be using this website here, and this stands for the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum, and specifically it is going to be on this page, a learning site for students. So I wanted to give you an overview of what you will be doing within this lesson. So let's go to the actual assignment and read the learning target, which says that you are going to be able to evaluate the Jewish experience in Nazi Germany. So the way that you are going to be able to do that is to kind of surf through these 5 different parts of this website here, okay? So back to the assignment. I've given you the link on the previous page in IA Campus, and I want you to think about what the Jewish experience was like in Nazi Germany. What do you imagine they felt like? Or what would it be like to be in their situation? Maybe how might you feel if this happened to someone you know? Okay, so you are going to be writing a statement that responds to the learning target. And once again, that is to evaluate. So what was it like for Jewish people living underneath the Nazis? So here I've given you some sentence starters, okay? And these are going to be opinionated, but you will have to back up your opinion with historical evidence. So here are 3 ideas for sentence starters. If you want to veer from these, you are more than welcome, but maybe these will help to get your ideas going. So you could start simply by saying Jews experienced, you fill in the rest. The Jewish people were, and then maybe you talk about how they were treated. Or you could say in Nazi Germany, the Jews, and then again explain and write about how they were treated underneath Nazi laws. All right. So you have written 1 sentence for your statement, which responds to the learning target. And then you are going to choose 3 pieces of information from this website here. So let's flip over to the website. And you're going to see that there are 5 sections beneath within this website. So one is Nazi rule. Another is Jews in pre-war Germany. So we've learned a little bit about that already. You know about the final solution. 4th one is the Nazi camp system. And then the last one is rescue and resistance. If you want to explore further, you are more than welcome to, but these 5 up here is where I want you to pull your historical evidence from. So what I've said at the top, let me scroll there. What I've said at the top is that I'd like you to at least look through 2 parts underneath each section. So remember, there are 5 sections. Maybe you want to do the first 2 in each one, but I want you to choose at least 2 parts within each section that you are reading about, okay? And then once you've done that, I want you to choose 3 different sections, 3 different, say, chapters beneath each of these to pull your evidence from. And if you click on one, you will notice that they really are not that long. So you're not going to have to do a lot of research. You'll only have to do a little, okay? Now, when you get to this key dates part, it is very interesting. And it might give you even more information than it does at the top, okay? So, once again, you are reading at least 2 parts to each section. And then out of those that you have perused, you are going to choose 3. Okay? So here I have given you some examples of how you would take historical information and use it as evidence for your opinion statement. Okay? Now, when you get ready to write your piece, I want you to make sure that you have all 3 of these pieces in there. So 1 is to write your statement, 2 is to use 3 supporting details from this website, and the third one is to kind of copy what I've done here and to cite the section that that piece of historical evidence comes from. Okay? Now, those are just directions to help you understand what you will be doing with your assignment. Make sure that you edit your information before submitting it, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Bye!